Your look like your
I like
auntie.
my father, mother, and small brother.
No, similarities. I'm
Like
asking about your features.
Mom, I will like be uncle.
Not will like. See, I'm not talking about like. The sense features. You're getting the features. Features in the sense your hairstyle, your eyes, your nose, your walking style, your charming. These kind of similarities.
Mom,
If anyone
I
say that
will
one,
be
mom, you
me.
look like a
Speaking with my
yes, ma'am.
Mom, I will be me. My grandmother.
You look like your grandmother. Very good. That means anyone ever
I
said,
look my father.
okay, can I mute
I
yourself?
look like me.
Very good, can I mute yourself? I'll call your name. Please, everyone mute yourself. Because I'm asking about, why, suppose if anyone ever said, wow, you look like your mummy or daddy or grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, these kind of. If anyone, so you have your mom's eyes just like comments. Did you receive from anyone? So that kind of similarities only I'm asking about now. Yes. So family resemblances. Family resemblance in the sense features we used to get from our parents or all other family members. So that shows the family resemblances. Okay. Inherit. What does it mean, the inherit? Inherit means to receive from your parents or your forefathers. So these kind of similarities, physical appearances, and some of our habits, even though we can say that habits also. So these kind of habits that resemble with our family members. Used to get angry, used to get fight with each and everything. So these kind of habit. So we used to get from our way. Family members are from our parents. So that kind of similarities, the family resemblances we used to get through our hereditary. So what does it mean here? Hereditary. Family these hereditary in the sense, hereditary features to receive through the genes. So here genes. Genes carry. What does it mean here? Genes. What is the gene there? Do you know about gene? Not a GEANS. That gene we used to wear. I'm talking about gene, DNA. Very good. GENES, genes. So genes carry hereditary traits from our parents to our body. So genes carry the information that determines your traits. Traits in the sense which are features. Yes, which are the features or characteristics that are passed on to you or received from your parents. Not only appearance of physical appearance inside. So each cell in the human body contains about 35,000 or 25,000. So that means 25,000 to 35,000 genes. For example, if I say, if both of your parents have green eyes, because inherit in the sense physical appearance only, you might inherit. Inherit means what, children? Receive the trait for green eyes from them. So if both parents have green eyes, so you might receive the traits for green eyes from them. Or if your mom has what curly hair, you might have received that curly too, because you inherited the traits for curly. So genes aren't just found in humans. All animals and plants have genes too. So what is the differ between genes as well as gene? How can you identify? Can you spell that one? Please place your answer in your chat box. Genes. G-E-N-E-S. So it carries, the genes carry G-E-N-E-S. Genes carry what? Information that determines your grades, which are features, physical appearances. Okay, children? These things we used to get from our, to whom? From whom? From our parents to you. Yes. So each cell in the human body contains, what is the count I said? Up to 35,000 genes we have. So not only humans, all animals and plants have genes too. So our body is kind of cell. So made up of cell we have learned in lesson number 2, isn't it? So that is related to our gene only. So we used to get what are the information, how that used to carry, which habits, features, everything that has to be passed from our parents to us. Very good, children. Now, I'm going to ask the question. You have to give your answers in a chat box. Okay? Place your answers in a chat box. We complete our revision. Okay, now I'm going to ask true or false. You have to give me your answers in a chat box. Our family tree shows how we are related to our friends. Is it true or false? Our family tree shows how we are related to our friends. Is it true or false? Is it true? Is it true? Very good, false. Because our family tree shows how we are related to our earlier generation, our parents, isn't it? Not our friends.
Stella, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Yes, ma'am. Very good,
Can
children.
we start the online test, ma'am? No, time is 12:40.
Yes. Okay. Okay, children. Get ready now. We are going to start our English test. Ma'am, can you place that one? Selva, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have link?
Echoing, ma'am.
Selva, ma'am, do you have link?
Voice is echoing, ma'am.
Yes, Kana. Yes, Kana.
Now clear.
Selva, ma'am.
Ma'am, voice is
Can you paste the link now?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm doing, ma'am. Wait, ma'am.
Yes. Children, everyone, check your chat box.
Yeah, ma'am, I done. Children, listen carefully. I pasted the link in the chat box. You just go through there. Now I'm going to read the questions one by one. Do you have any doubts in the questions? Just ask me, dears.
Ma'am, the link is not opening.
Wait, dear.
Ma'am, opening, ma'am.
Ma'am, Stella, ma'am.
I'll check it.
Yes, ma'am, it is not open. Can you try, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Few minutes wait, dear. Get ready for the online test. So after the session, I'm going to post the link in our Telegram group also. Okay, dears?
Okay, ma'am. Open.
Yeah, dear. It's open. All of you try. It's open only.
Open, no?
Ma'am, Stella, ma'am.
But not inside.
Is it open now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. It's open, ma'am.
Okay, dear.
But your voice is
Follow.
echoing, ma'am.
My voice is echoing.
Not
Yes,
now,
Stella,
ma'am.
ma'am. Kindly mute yourself, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is echoing.
Okay, dears. All should mute yourself. Then only my voice is clear. All should mute yourself, dears. Okay. Get ready for the online test. Now I'm going to read the questions one by one. Listen carefully and do your best, dears. First, you have to fill your name of the student, and you have to select your class and section, third C or third D. I hope you all know very well this. Shall we start, dears? Question number 1. A family with grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and cousins is called. What type of family is this? My dear children, don't put the answers in the chat box. Okay? You give your answers only in your Google form. Second one, when is World Global Parents Day celebrated? We already celebrated this. I hope you all are remembered. Choose your correct answers, dears. Shall we go to the next one? Yeah. Third one, our physical appearance and some of habits dash with our family members. You have two options there, resemble and history. Fourth one, we dash some features from our family members. We dash some features from our family members. The options are inherit and history. Select your answers. Fifth one, dash carries the hereditary traits from our parents to our body. What carries the hereditary traits from our parents to our body, dears? You have to select the correct spelling here. Sixth one, select the correct statement. Here we have two statements. One is correct and another one is the wrong. You have to select which one is the correct statement. First one, the study of families and their histories is known as genealogy. Second one, the study of families and their histories is known as psychology. You have to select the correct statement here. Seventh one, dash family consists of single parent family. Single parent family. Get my question? Dash family consists of single parent family. Either of the parents or both the parents. Select your correct answers, my dears. I think it is very easy to you all. 8.1. A person who study about the history of the family is known as. Listen carefully. A person who study about the history of the family is known as genealogist, and one more thing, scientist. That's are called mother's parents. How we are called the mother's parents? Paternal or maternal? 10th one, there are dash types of families. We already learned, no? 5 or 3. 11th one, select the correct spelling. See, resemblances, we are giving the 2 spelling here. You have to select which one is correct. So you have to read the keywords. Then only it is easy to find out. I hope you all doing this. Children, now we are going to the 12th question. Nuclear family is made up of children and their dash. Nuclear family is made up of children and their dash. Parents or grandparents. Next one. A family tree gives information about our neighborhood or earlier generation. A family tree gives more information, isn't it? Yes, about our neighborhood or earlier generation. Select the correct answers, dears. Do it correctly. Okay, 14th one. Dash is an ever-changing unit. Ma'am already told you, no? Dash is an ever-changing unit. Family or friends. Now we are going to the 15th one. Family tree can represent in the form of dash, graph or chart. How can we represent the family tree? In the form of chart or graph? Get my questions carefully, children. 16th one. Events that happened in the past. Events that happened in the past is called dash. Future or history. 17th one. To raise someone else's child as one's own family members is called dash. Adoption, adoption. Here you have to select the correct spelling. You have to select the correct spelling. Adoption or adoption. O or A. Next one. Belonging to same age or time is called dash. Belonging to same age or time is called dash. Generation or history. Listen carefully. Now 19th one. Find the odd one out. Uncle, cousin, nephew, neighbor. You have to select the answer from cousin or neighbor. Our next question, 20th one. Dash is the oldest member of your family. Who is the oldest member of your family? Not in your house. In your whole family. Grandparents or brother. Who is the oldest member of your family? Understand the question, dears? Grandparents or brother? Now we are going to the true or false. You have to select true or false. So listen the question carefully. After you have to select the answers. So 21st, we can resemble our family members only in facial features. Mark my question. Facial features. We can resemble our family members only in facial features. Select the answer that is true or false. I hope you all are doing good. 22. This also true or false question. All families are similar type. Listen carefully. All families are similar type. Nuclear family, joint family, single parent family, whatever. So, all these families are similar type. Select the answer, true or false. Think and give the answer. Shall we go to the next one? 23rd. We can share similarities only with our parents. Listen, we can share similarities only with our parents, not others. True or false? Twenty-fourth question. The inherited features are called dash traits. The inherited features are called dash traits. Hereditary or generation. So now we are coming to the last one. These are called father's parents. Already we see mother's parents, here father's parents. These are called father's parents. How we are called them? Maternal grandparents or paternal grandparents? Select your correct answers and click submit there. Ma'am will see your answer sheets. Okay, dears? Again, I will resend in our Telegram group. Do it and send. Okay, children? Who all finished now? Text me your name in the chat box, dears. Who all finished now? Udisha. Yeah, Soumya finished. Very good, dear. Disha, 24th. Yeah, do the one more thing also. And then, who are finished? So, I need all my lovely children going to get a full marks, 25 out of 25. Yes, very good. Tanmati, Adrit, Loshini. Why Loshini? 16. 23 points, ma'am. Why Rayan? I'll see. So, all should get 25 out of 25. No excuse. Sabarish Kumar, very good. So, those are finished. Text your names. Who didn't finish, just go through our Telegram group and do it fast. After the session, do it, dears. Do you have any doubt? Now, question paper. Vidyut, very good. Pranav Kumar, finished. Very good, dear. You all are very fast. You all are too smart, right? What about others? Yeah, ma'am. What about others? Text me who are finished. Meha, very good. And then what about others? Okay, Harshini. Aparna. Okay, dears. So now we are running out of the time. We have 2 more minutes. So unmute your video and audio. Say bye-bye to your friends. Jai Gurudev. Thank you, dears. Unmute your video and audio.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Wait. Unmute your video and audio. Show your face, friends. I'm also waiting for seeing one faces. Unmute your video, Kanna. No one can do that. Yeah, Ashwin. Bye. Bye-bye, Ashwin. Hashini, goodbye.
On your video also.
Lakshmanan.